What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing the road trip I took with my pops to Flagstaff to get my Ovrlnd campers installed on my 91 Ford long bed pickup. Enjoy.
Okay, I got up to almost 20.
We hoteled up the first night in Flagstaff, and this is the morning of driving over to pick up the camper at Ovrlnd. Super cool guys over at Ovrlnd, very helpful. I'm really stoked how the camper turned out on the truck. I was a little concerned because the front of my bed closest to the cab was a little dented up because this truck was an old farm truck before I got it. But it wasn't a problem. They were able to seal it up fine and get me on the road. So now we're headed up to the Grand Canyon to do a couple nights of camping and then head on back to Southern California. You pop up the back first. Unlock this.
Yeah, touch the roof.
Yeah, it's huge.
Awesome.
Once I clean this up, it'll be easy
Nice.
walking. It snowed a fair bit that first night of camping. It was pretty cold because when you get these campers, there's no insulation or anything on the interior. It's pretty cold. And then walking over here, you can see my pop's Alaskan camper on his F350. Thing's pretty sweet too. that's all she wrote for this video. Next video, hopefully start documenting the interior build out of the camper, and I'll show you guys what I've been up to. So stay tuned for a build out epicness. See you later.